video, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my Irish sea moss. Sea moss is grown in the ocean, so it consumes a lot of sand and salt. So I'm just going to give it a quick rinse to get all the debris off before I start my next step. So now I'm just going to use my sterling silver bowl to keep everything sterile. I use natural alkaline spring water instead of tap water. It's just more purified water instead of having all that fluoride and minerals all into your water. You don't want any of that soaking into your sea moss. So this is what it looks like after it's been soaking for about 4 hours. Well, mine's been soaking for about 4 to 6 hours. It has expanded, so now that it's soft enough and ready to be blended. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and give it one more good rinse. This is the part where I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys watch. Now this is the perfect consistency of how I like my sea moss. It's nice, it's thick, it's smooth with no lumps in it. Thank you guys.